Holy shit!
Alright, well.
My camera won't zoom out.
French vanilla hot chocolate.
Hold on, where's my... Why won't it zoom out? Yeah.
And, we just got finished washing my car so I can go to the red pumpkin.
It's like freezing cold outside.
And it's, freezing cold outside, so we're gonna make some hot chocolate. But I like putting milk in my hot chocolate, and I don't have any milk in my house right now. So, we're gonna try this with, Coffee Mate, which is coffee creamer, and it's French vanilla. Yeah. And I've never tried it before, so we're just gonna, pour some in.
Is it like liquid?
Yeah, it's like liquid.
That looks so funny.
Yeah, it does. I'm gonna put water in there so that. And I guess what I need another one, because we have like 5 of these in the refrigerator. Alright.
More like 2, but okay.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. Close enough. That's the flavor.
Close enough. If
Yeah.
you're a blonde.
That's me.
I like Stephanie.
Oh, it's not even open. Are you freaking kidding me?
Wait, let me, here. Take the camera. Let me try.
Alright, that's Megan.
Yeah. This is me.
Oh, look how skilled she is. Oh, no, she's biting it.
Shut up. I got like metal in my mouth.
That's awesome. Oh, yeah, because you have braces.
You're so funny. Hold on, let me get a fork.
Run, Forrest, run!
Run, Forrest, run!
Yeah, we're still kind of like in our pajamas.
And it's like, what time is it? Like 3 o'clock in the afternoon?
3:30?
Almost 4.
Yeah.
Holy.
Way to stab it.
Holy cow. Yeah.
How do you zoom out?
I know, it won't.
Oh.
Zoom is out as it is.
Oh.
Alright.
Damn.
Yeah, my fingers are all like creamers.
Okay.
Camera, please. Don't see that.
Hey, by the way, I don't know.
That's actually good.
Stephanie.
Red is Stephanie. The blonde on the inside. We are at her
House.
lovely house. Very pretty. Yes. We know. Alright. Well, we're putting water in the other half. So I don't know how it's gonna work out. We'll find out. I'll get the spoons. Okay. Your lovely pantry here.
Pass it through.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh.
Did I tell you what I heard?
Wait, how much water should I put in this?
I don't know.
That's lovely.
Here.
Hold on. Alright.
Okay, let's put this one in the microwave.
Alright, hold on.
Because we can't put both of them in it.
Hold on.
Alright. We had French toast this morning.
That was good French toast, too.
That was.
Don't move your head.
Beverage. Alright, so it's done. Okay. It's all bubbly.
It looks kind of like crap, and it's 4:11 happening. Our lovely breakfast.
Alright.
Alright. So taste it or put mine in?
Alright, stir it up again.
Wait, the difference?
Ah.
Yeah. Very dark and chunky. Dark and chunky. That's a really lovely description.
Maybe more, yeah.
It is?
Yeah.
Taste it.
And my mom's in there.
Where'd he go?
You should taste it.
Taste it, go. Go for it.
Are you serious? Is it gross?
Yeah, it's good. No, I'm not even kidding. It's good.
Seriously?
Yeah, taste it. Isn't it? Yeah.
That's really good, actually.
Yeah, okay, well, okay.
Okay, that's good.
Alright, just for you guys, let's see. This is over here.
Let's give them our recipe. Our recipe is, Swiss Miss, French vanilla,
hot chocolate, and
French vanilla coffee mate. Put it in a plastic cup, guys, and just go get some water from the fridge or the sink or something.
Just fill it halfway up with that, the
and
coffee mate.
It's seriously
You know,
good. Like, I don't know why Stephanie coughed, but it's
Oh yeah,
really
because
good.
it went down my throat the wrong way. Then we put water in it, and then you just put it in the microwave.
For a few seconds. And it's really
For
good.
about 30 minutes.
That's like the best
30
hot chocolate.
seconds, I mean. My
That's
bad.
seriously like the best hot chocolate I've ever had.
Yeah. Alright, so,
Yeah.
I'm Stephanie,
I'm Megan.
and we'll make another video soon. Probably later today. So,
Peace.
peace.